Hi, my dear students. Good morning. Very good morning. I hope that you have understood all my previous teaching sessions. I hope that you are enjoying my teaching. Today, I am going to teach you 3 grammar topics with 2 examples each. It will help you to score 14 marks. How many marks? 14, 12 to 14 marks. Very easy, no problem, because I know it well that all of you are very brilliant indeed. It is why today you are going to learn question number 46. First 46A, question number 45. You can find this question in your textbook. Model question paper 1, page number 125. You can find this question in the page number 125. Before you could continue watching this my video, first go open your textbook and go to page number 125. 125. Read this question first and note down the question. Later only you can understand the answer. There are 2 types of questions under question number 60A, question number 45, A, B, C, D. You can score 4 marks easily without any worry. When you are not in a hurry, there will be no worry for you. It is why learn this question first one. Note down this question in your long ruled notebook. Then only you can understand the answer. Today, I am going to discuss this question number 45. Now, refer the following TV schedule and answer the questions set on it in one complete sentence each. One word, one phrase or one full sentence, that is enough indeed. So, there will be 4 questions and you can score 4 marks. See, first of all, we are not worried about the words inside the boxes. What should we worry for? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 into 4, there are 28 boxes. What is this about? See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 TV channels are given. What are those channels? Channel names. 1, 2, 3. 3 channels. 1, 2, 3. 3 channels names are given here. One is Chandana, another is Animal Planet, another one is NDTV. Timing also is given. 7 o'clock program, 11 o'clock program, 30 means 1 p.m., 3 p.m., 8 p.m., 9:30 p.m. For example, at 7 o'clock, Chandana will telecast yoga program. Animal Planet, same things. NDTV, today's politics. In this order, read the words carefully. Don't read in a hurry. It is your duty. It is the law of English. You should read the question very slowly. Observe each and every letter, a word and sentence. Then only you can answer this question. Otherwise, very confusing, puzzling indeed. My dear students, I will explain the question. Later only I will explain the answer. Now, 11 o'clock, Chandana TV, news, Animal Planet, Indian Birds, NDTV, talk show. 13 hours, light music, ecology issues, afternoon news. 15 hours, social, deep into the sea, interview. 20 hours, national news, man versus wild, daily news. 21:30, quiz show, river monsters, Karnataka focus. See, now, so these words should be understood by you. What is this question about? 3 channels TV program, 7 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 13 hours, 15 hours, 20 hours, 21.30 hours. Now, 45 question number 8. Which channel would you watch to listen to music in the afternoon? First, what is the key word? Heart of the sentence is music. This word is important. Where is the music word? You must go to that word. See, where is the music word? Yeah. Which channel would you watch to listen to music in the afternoon? Afternoon, it is clearly given now. You must go through the afternoon channels. First question. Which channel would you watch to listen to music in the afternoon? Which channel would you watch to listen to music in the afternoon? It is the first question. Once more. Which channel would you watch to listen to music in the afternoon? Here only one word music is given, but here light music is given. It is why you must find out the word. What is? We are not asking about the time. We are asking about the channel name. How to write answer? Now I will explain. You must follow this system, this method itself. Otherwise, we will not give half of the mark, my dear students. Follow the rules strictly. In your answer script, margin. Okay, now margin. Okay, 6 to 8. 6 to 8. Question number 45. 40. Write A. Here, A. Which channel? You know it better. What is the name of the channel? Chandana. One mark is assured. One mark is guaranteed. Next question number B. Which of the channels telecasts a program on the sea animals? Sea animals, direct words cannot be seen. Here see. Deep into the sea. It is given, no? It is why it is called deep into the sea. What is the question? Which of the channel? Channel name, time is not important. What is the channel? Animal planet. This one word is enough. Two words are enough. It is why. Write the answer, animal planet. Animal planet is the second answer. Next, C answer. Which can you see? Which program? When can you see which program on Chandana? See, this is important. When means what? Time. Which time? When can you see which program on Chandana? Which is given? Chandana is given. Go to Chandana channel. Okay, now next program then quick. Which is here. It is right. This Chandana channel we can see which program at 12:30 hours. At 21:30. At 21:30. Enough. You don't write the PM. Why? They has given only in the question 21:30. You must write 21:30. It is enough. Don't write PM, AM. That is unnecessary. We English people don't do any extra things. We will learn one thing in 4 ways. We will do only one thing. Learning must contain so many ways. Writing is accurate. It is called bullet answer. We don't like any other row answer. It is why at 12:30 that is the answer. Next D. The answer. The channel that telecasts Delhi News. Delhi News where? Delhi News is here. What is he asking? Channel name or this 20 or this time? He is asking about the channel that telecasts Delhi News is A. Chandana, B. NDTV, Animal Planet. So you must find out Delhi News. Where is the Delhi News word? Here. What is the question? Channel. Then you have to write the NDTV. It is why NDTV option is given here. See, A, B, C, three options are given. You must write first this alphabet. That letter should be written. If you don't write B, if you write only NDTV, we cannot give any mark. It is the law of English. If you write only B letter without the answer, that answer also is wrong. It is why B, N, D, T, V. It is the concept of this question number 45, A, B, C, D. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 is given. You use 1, 2, 3, 4. Roman letters or this Arabic numbers, Roman number or alphabet, you must be careful. Here also, capital letter or small letter, whatever the question number is given, you must use the same. If you use 1, 2, 3, 4, answer is wrong. If you write any other number, answer is wrong. Question paper is our Bible, Quran or Bhagavad Gita. We must strictly follow the question numbers according to the question paper. This is the law. Nobody can change, including myself. Okay? Follow this one, understand this answer, and I will go to that side and I will explain. Question example 2. What you have to do? Read the question once more. Read these 4 questions and these words and understand the answer, and I will proceed. You stop this video, go back, play this video once more, understand this one thoroughly. Later you try to understand question number 2. I hope that you have understood the first model. Now I am going to explain second one. Second one. Model question paper 2, you can find this question in the page number 134 in your textbook. Open the textbook, find the question, read the question, write the question. Later itself you should follow my teaching. Without writing the question, you never try to learn the answer. This is the law of English. First you must write the question in your notebook. Read the question, later follow the videos. Otherwise, it cannot be stored in your mind forever. Now, example 68. Refer the following list of events. That is list of channels. This is list of events means programs. List of events and answer the questions set on it. Okay. 1 into 4. 4 marks. Event name, time. There are 2 sections. Very simple. Inaugural function 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Prize distribution 11 a.m. to 12:15 p.m. Cultural programs song and dance 12:15 p.m. to 2 p.m. Lunch break 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Fish pond 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Okay, all words are ready. But questions are different. Questions are very typical. Now, first question. 45. 1. How long will the inaugural event last? LAST, not LOST, LAST. That means, what is the duration of the inaugural function? Understand the question. It is why I have told you to read the question properly. Without knowing, understanding, analyzing the question, you never can answer. You never can write the correct answer without understanding the question. Here, how long will the inaugural event last means there is no answer. If you write 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., answer is bluff, wrong, error. Careful. Duration means from where to where, no, how long, 1 hour or 2 hours. It is why answer is 2 hours. What is the duration? How long means we must write duration. What is answer? 2 hours. Oh, very easy. 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Okay, that is not okay. It is called un-okay. It is why read the question properly. 50% answers cannot be found directly. Direct answers cannot be found in the question paper. It is why you must have the habit of reading the question paper slowly, thoroughly, observing each and every word. Now, second question. When will the prize distribution begin? When will the prize distribution begin? Prize distribution beginning time is duration means to 1 hour 15 minutes. Time is 11 to 12:15 p.m. But he is asking when. When means one word is wrong. That means what? 11 a.m. You can write at 11 a.m. Yeah, 11 a.m. Prize distribution takes place at 11 a.m. Don't write 11 a.m. to 12:15 p.m. It is wrong. Next, third one. The cultural programs will take place. Cultural programs. See, cultural programs will take place in the morning, in the afternoon, at night. Is there any direct answer? There is no direct answer. There is no direct answer to A and 1 and 3. Question number 1, question number 3. Answer, direct answers cannot be found. It is why use your brain, wit, knowledge, skills. Then only you can understand. Blindly, nobody can answer English questions. We must be alert. Very carefully, it must be understood. Next, third answer. The cultural programs will take place. See, cultural programs. Song battle dance, 12:15 p.m. If you write at 12:15 p.m., 1 mark gota, 1 mark cut, 1 mark will be missing. It is why answer is, it is given. Options are given. In the morning, how can you say that 12:15 p.m. is the morning time? At night means after 6 p.m. or 8 p.m. It is why in the afternoon. It is the answer. 12:15 p.m. will become afternoon time. It is why you must write first to alphabet. This is B letter. B letter should be here. B letter first, later in the afternoon. So, 2 hours at 11 a.m. The answer number 3 is B letter in the afternoon. Writing B, answer is A means wrong. Writing C, answer is this one means wrong. Everything must carry each other. Next one, answer number 4. What is the time allotted for fish pond? What is the time allotted? Means if you write 1 hour 15 minutes, 1 hour 15 minutes. No. What is the time? Means you must write this one, fish pond. 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. If you write 1 hour, answer is wrong. It is why you must write answer number 4 is 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. So, 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. fish pond time allotted. If you write 1 hour, wrong. If you write 3 p.m., wrong. It is why it is your duty to understand the question properly. Answer is 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. See, 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. This is the answer. Okay, my dear students, play this video once more. The second half. Learn 2 answers very well. Now I am going to teach you question number 48 or 49 of match the following. That is important for second PUC too. This kind of questions will not appear. 70% of first PUC grammar questions will not appear. Totally different grammar structure in the second PUC. It is fine. If you have understood these all things, then only you can understand second PUC advanced grammar questions. Otherwise, everything will be unknown and puzzling and confusing. My dear students, until here, question number 45, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is over. Play this video, understand, and you practice this one, and I will proceed. After learning this one, and only you can watch the video next to this question. Okay. Note down the question, write the answer. Yeah. So I hope that you have understood question number 45. A, B, C, D, 45. Question number 1, 2, 3. It is called 6th main. 7th main. Question A. You can find this question in the page number 126. First question. Second question, model paper 2, page number 135. My dear students, first write this question in a fresh page. You take the fresh page, write this headline, write model question paper 1, page number 126, 7A, match the following, match the expression under column A to its corresponding language function under B. I will explain first, note down the question. If you don't have the textbook, here itself, now itself, there itself, not here itself, there itself, now itself, note down the question. I will proceed with the explanation. Thanks, sir. It is 7th A, question number 47. Question number 47. You can find this question in the model question paper 1, page number 126. Okay, I hope that you might have written this question. If you have not written this question, you never can understand the answer. First law is writing the question. Write this question. After completing writing this question, later you can understand this answer. Now, this is very important by means it is linked to second PUC 4 marks. Complete the dialogue. But same type of match the following, there is no such match the following question in second PUC. It is a large chance to you to answer such a match the following questions. Here totally everything is so different to write answers to. Not only writing answer as you wrote in first PU, 10th standard. It is totally different in a systematic manner. It is why now, after writing this question, listen once more. Now, I ask you, I request you to complete writing this question. Now it's up, there it's up. 7A, match the expression under the column A. See, expressions. It is called A column expression sentences. Expressions, sentences, in second PUC, expression, words will be there. But it is not linked to second PUC expression question number 29. It is different. But it is required. Why means one dialogue will be given, in the brackets such words will be given. The word can be found, the sentence you have to write in second PUC. This expression word is here, sentences are here, only words can be found in second PUC under question number 29 expression. Requesting complete the dialogue, 28 question number in second PUC. These words are very important. See, this one, 5 words are very common in second PUC. See, as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 words are common in second PUC. It is why learn this concept now itself. It will help you to understand question number 28 in second PUC. After this question number 47, question number 48 is there. That type of question will appear in second PUC. That is very useful indeed. Now, first of all, A, match the expression under column A to its corresponding language function. Language function words, expression, sentences, you have to match this one. How to understand? Okay, I will explain. How do you do? Could you please pass me the book? You look stunning in this new class. Meet my friend Ratan. I beg to differ on this point. I beg to differ on this point. No meaning, no explanation. Only understanding this one and matching this one to that side. Functions: requesting, greeting, introducing, disagreeing, complimenting. First this one. Now, how to write answer? 7 to me. Question number 47 in your answer script. What is this? A. What is this? B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. How do you do? How do you do? You must write left side as it is. You must match the word to this one. If you write as it is mentioning numbers, it will never work. How I am writing answer? In the same system, in the same method, in the same manner, your duty to learn and write the answer. Observe the video carefully, otherwise easy question will become very tough for you. Please. How do you do? That means what? Is it requesting word? No. Is it a greeting word? Let us understand. Is it introducing? No. Is it disagreeing? No. Is it praising? No. What is this? How do you do? For example, I and you will meet. Okay, now, then I will ask you, how are you? What is it called? Requesting? No. It is called what? Greeting. A kind of saying good morning. Good morning means greeting. Oh, good morning. How are you? How do you do? It is why, how do you do? The answer is greeting. If you write A, B, C, D wrong, what is the number? What is the letter given to this word that should be written? B. Greeting. This is the only one method system to write the answer. My dear students, learn this one now itself very well. If you change the system, answer will become wrong. We will never give you any mark. Now, how do you do? Greeting. If you write as it is, putting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, it is totally wrong. You cannot challenge us regarding demanding for marks. So sorry to say that you must follow this one. There is no other method in PUC English. Whatever we say, that is the law. That's all. So, 2. Could you please pass me the book? Write this one. Could you please pass me the book? Now, greeting is over. It is called what? Requesting, introducing, disagreeing, complimenting. You know it better than me. What is it called? Requesting. Please is there no requesting. It is what it. Answer is this one. Requesting alphabet is letter is A. You write requesting. Oh, so you can secure score 2 marks easily. 3. You look stunning in this new class. You look very beautiful in this new class. What is it called? Praising. Praising means what? Complimenting. You write this left side as it is. You look stunning in the new class. In the new class, you write in full. Okay, I don't have enough space and date to write in full. Now, what is this? Complimenting. Write the letter E. What is this one? Complimenting. So, complimenting. Okay? B-A-E. Don't mention this number. You don't bring this one to the left side. No. It is totally forbidden, barred, banned. Surely. You never should adopt any other system. This is the law of English. Next. A side should be written. See, match the list A to B. They are not asking B list to A. It is why A should be written as it is. B orders should be changed and same letter should be given to the word. If you write A, B, C, D, it is the wrong answer. No lecturer, faculty, HOD has the right to give the mark to the wrong answer. Any subject it may be. 4. Meet my friend Ratan. Okay. Meet my friend Ratan. What is this? You know it better. It is called introducing. Yeah. Introducing. 4 marks are final. 5. I beg to differ on this one. I beg to differ on this matter. What is answer? It is only one remaining. That is called what? Disagreeing. Yeah. If you have understood this concept, later only you can understand example 2. If you have not understood this one, you play this video once more. Understand the concept very well. Why? It is very helpful to score 4 marks in the second PUC. Here 5 marks, there 4 marks. 9 marks are assured when you understand this one with the interest, with the like. You watch this video again and again until you can understand. Now I will switch over to example 2. Example here also. Model question paper 2. You can find this question in the page number 135. A match the following expression under column A to its corresponding language function under B. Same step. Words are different, sentences are different. Now, see, you write 7 to A, question number 47. 47, next to A list, expression. Here B list, language functions. Language function. Now, 1, write the sentence. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. What is answer? You know it better. How do you wish us good morning? Good morning means what? Greeting. It is why this answer is greeting. You must write the greeting. Well, 1 mark is assured. Next to 2. Shekhar, this is Mahesh. Shankar, this is Shankar, this is Mahesh. What is this called? Introducing. Answer C, introducing. Introduce. 3. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. What is this one? Expressing gratitude. These words are very, very important even in second PUC 2 to score 4 there, to score 5 here. My dear lovely students, please follow my teaching, understand the concept very well. Now, thank you so much. Thank you so much. It is called expressing gratitude. Expressing gratitude. 4. What a pity. What is this? Pity means sympathy. Answer is A, expressing sympathy. Okay, you write the answer correctly. You can write better than me. It is why I have left that one as incomplete. Next one. What you say may be right, but what you say may be right, but it may be correct, it may be wrong. It is not agreeing. It is called what? Disagreeing. Okay, my dear students, write the left side as it is. Write this one along with the letter alphabet corresponding to this word B, C, D and A, B. If you write A, B, C, D, wrong. If you bring these words into this left side, wrong. This is the only one method, best of the best method. There is no other second method. Follow this rule. I hope that you might have understood question number 45 and 47. Practice this one very well. Watch the video very well. You must learn all the grammar topics taught by me. Why means in my next session, I will send you some grammar questions, a test for 50 marks. You have to answer the question paper. You have to send the answer to me.
You know my telephone number very well. You must send the answer to my WhatsApp number. I will give you one test, 50 marks question paper, and you must be alert. Only grammar topics. After test is taken by you, I will teach the gentleman of the jungle in one session and the school by second one. I hope let us hope that we can meet face to face so soon indeed. I am eagerly waiting for you, my dear student. It is why you please learn this 45, question number 45, 47. Learn this one very well. Be confident and be brave indeed to face any kind of toughest questions indeed. Now onwards, English is not so easy. It is not a joke at all. In second PUC English, you never can imagine so many new concepts can be found by you. In first PUC also, some chapters are tougher indeed. You must understand these concepts very well. Later you can understand remaining concepts very well indeed. It is why, my dear students, take care, practice this one very well. If you are not watched any previous my videos, means play now itself, today itself, watch those videos. Go to YouTube, Narayan PU College, first PUC, English, okay. Go to the playlist. Grammar, there are nearly 7 to 8 videos which can be found by you. Watch the videos, learn the concepts. It is very easy indeed when you are not in a hurry and learn it slowly. Okay, please learn it very well. I hope that you will learn these things very well. Good luck, all the best, be happy, be safe.